Wow, you picked up right, literally picked up right on how I've been feeling. It's like I definitely am a people pleaser, and like I keep getting the same thing over and over again every time I'm listening into something, or just intuitively about taking some time and just going within myself and finding that whatever I'm looking for to a certain extent, wherever it's
And
attention,
and here's
just
the thing
self
that
love, whatever.
I want you to do. How about stop looking? How about
Yeah, that too.
just being you? How about stop doing all this searching? How about stop
Mm.
looking? How about start living? How about start enjoying? How about not giving a, a flying F about what other people think? Who cares? How about reclaim your time and focus on you, enjoying you, loving you, showing up as the best you for your family, for your friend, for those icons in your life. Because if you're an icon, then they're an icon too. How about stop trying to
It's
win
true.
and recognize you already won? Like, how would your life
Mm.
change if you went from stop trying to be a winner and understand you already won? Would you be different when someone asked you a question? Would you be different when someone needed help? Would you respond different when someone asked you who helped you? Would you be different the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you dress, the way you carried yourself? If you recognize that you're not trying to win, you already won. This is why one, WON, and ONE are both connected to equality. Because when you understand that all is one, there's no
Mm.
room for hatred. There's no room for jealousy. There's no room for competition. There's no room for that. If I am the winner, who am I fighting?
No one.
Who am I comparing myself to?
No one.
Who am I
Mm.
trying to catch up to?
Not a damn soul.
Right. It's like giving an acceptance speech every day. Isn't this what winners do? As soon as they win, they say, the first thing I want to do is I want to thank my fans. I want to thank everybody who helped me here. See, that's the attitude of a winner, because they don't mind sharing the journey with who helped them win. You know you are stepping into the frequency of equality when you recognize that you're not trying to win. You already won. You would be different. Your questions would be different if you were a winner. Wouldn't your question tonight be different if you knew you already won?
Yeah, it would be.
You would be asking some high, you know, some higher self, high frequency questions. You wouldn't be trying to find all the faults that you have inside of yourself. You would be trying to see not only how you can really spread this energy of winning to others, you would be
Mm.
loving
Mhm.
yourself more. You would be understanding. You would be tuning into what you need for yourself. You would be using your stopwatch more. You would know when to stop. You wouldn't be racing against the clock because you would know I already won. If I need to stop and I need to watch, then I would do it. There would be no rush.
That's true.
I don't need to blame my mother. I don't need to blame my father. I don't need to blame my sister. I don't need to blame my brother. I don't need to blame my fifth grade teacher. I don't need to blame my grandmother. I don't need to blame my ex. I don't need to blame my children. I don't need to blame my neighbors. I don't need to blame my job. I don't need to blame my man, I don't need to blame who I was with for my condition. I don't need to blame them for my moon that I am carrying around in my universe, because we are our own universe, our own cosmic gateway. We have all the planets in us, and we don't need to blame our moon on other people, because we would be in control of our moods. We would understand it because we would recognize, despite what happened, despite what you said, despite how you treated me, despite what I know you did behind my back, despite what I know you were working against me on, I won.
Mm.
So that's how I can stay pure. That's how I cannot judge you. Because I'm not going to go back, and I'm not going to go and be upset with you and be hating you when you caused me to win. That's when you can look at all your situations. You can look at everything that has happened, and you can say, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. That's how you get all your power back. That's how you begin to step into the flow of equality. That's how you activate love and abundance in your life.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you stay connected to your intuition.
So, in essence, pretty much honoring myself in a way.
Not in a way. Honoring yourself, period. Not in a way, period. And recognizing the proof that you won is that you're still here. You're still here.
Mm-hmm.
That's your proof that you won. And when it's time for you to accept your major award, you will leave this place and you will sit amongst the icons who won time and time again. Did y'all catch the time and time again?
Yeah.